So sometimes what might happen is you might want to import out data from external sources, like another project file, an old version of project file, Excel, and so forth. So while you're importing files, you might be importing out some codes as well, which might not actually behave well with Microsoft Project and might just crash your project file without wanting it. So to do that, so to go around and to make sure that you only import out files with certain security measures, then you can go around onto file menu and then you can go around onto options for that. So once you go around over there, you can see that Trust Center is an option right here. And in the Trust Center, you can see that you get the security option. So you can go around onto the Trust Center settings, and here you can see that there's this macro settings that you can turn on. So maybe you want to disable all the macro notification and then enable all the macros right here, or disable all the macros except for the digitally signed macros right here. Macros are little codes that behave on its own and then sometimes might actually crash your programs as well if not written correctly. If you were to go around over here, you can see that these are the trusted publishers right here, and these are the trusted locations over here as well. Or you can go around and add in a new location as you like, so that that particular location is viewed as trusted when you import out files. Then over here you got the trusted add-in categories as well. You can add in the URL of those add-ins right here. And in case you want to use add-ins, you can require the application add-ins to be signed by trusted publishers as well, or maybe disable the notification for unsigned add-ins, and it says the code will remain disabled as well. And it says disable all application add-in, and in case of certain files, it may impair functionality as well when you choose this. So depending on the security measures you want, you can turn these on and off. Sometimes you may want to open up an older version of Microsoft Project file, and in that case you can go to legacy format, and here it says prompt when loading files with legacy or non-default file formats. If you want to allow loading files with legacy without a problem, let's say you're accessing many old files from Microsoft Project, then you may want to select this. Or if you don't want the legacy files to for let's say protection, then you can simply go around and turn this on. So you can go around, choose whatever you like. There's privacy settings that you can access further as well. Like there's different things that you can go around and see, like you can turn on connected experience and so forth. So you can explore around what you want to turn on and off. You can also remove personal information from file properties. Let's say you don't want your name or email address and such data saved on the files, then you can simply go around and choose this as well. But in my case, I'm not worried about this one. And you can also see that there's form-based sign-in. So you can block all the sign-in attempts, and you can also ask what to do right here. So you can see that you can work around with all of these options to make the data import security strong so that you don't corrupt your file accidentally. So depending on what you want, you can go around and change these out right here. And that is how you can work around with the data import security option inside of Microsoft Project to make sure that there's security while you're importing data so that it does not corrupt your files. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.